Hey, I'm here in my studio today, and I thought it would be great to show you how to do a fun little kids project. And I have invited a very special guest. Ta-da!
Hi guys, are you ready to do some art today?
This is my grandson Walker.
Hi.
And we're going to be showing you how to recycle your old jar lids into sun catchers and Christmas tree ornaments. Besides your grandkids and those sparkly tiles, here are some of the other things you'll need to get started. Of course, the jar lids and spray paint if you choose to paint them out. Some colorants for your thin set. Galvanized steel wire to create your hangers. A file, a pliers, and a wire cutters. A drill for the holes with an 1/8 inch bit, or you can use an awl. A piece of wood to protect your surface, thin set, nippers and a spatula, and these great little fishing swivels that will allow your sun catchers to spin, and some fishing line for hanging. One of the first things we need to do to prepare our jar lids is to punch some holes.
Just like that, so then we can put these in.
So I have a drill with about an 1/8 inch drill bit on it.
Yeah.
And we're just gonna, I got a piece of wood to protect my table. We're just gonna drill that little hole in. Use the flat side, bud. So now we're gonna take this wire and bend it in half so that we can put it into the hole. Just like that. Leaving ourselves a little loop on top. We will be setting all of our pieces in thin set. First, we're going to mix it up, and it's always safety first. I'm going to start mixing, and Walker's just going to add a few drops of color because he decided he wants his to be green.
Yeah.
We have white thin set today, but
you can have any color thin set you want.
And you can just use it white, or you can also mix up some.
Or you could get some like food coloring.
This isn't food coloring. This is special coloring, just for cement. Okay, we're just gonna set this aside. Ready to get started, Walker?
You betcha.
All right. Well, you can see I drew some circles on the table for Walker. They're the size of the lids. I traced them so that he can design his project while I'm getting some other things ready. And we have all kinds of fun materials like mirror tiles and glitter tiles and all kinds of sparkly stuff, since we're going to be making sun catchers. We like to have it be sparkly, don't we? We're ready to get started. We have our thin set all mixed up. I gave it another stir just to get it all loosened up again. And then we're going to partially fill this lid. All right. Now, Walker, you can start putting your pieces in. I think I'm going to make one too. Excellent. Smile for the camera.
Hello guys, I'm so excited, so excited to hang up our sun catchers with Nana.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And remember, life's a mosaic. You pick the pieces.